Welcome to our channel. Selecting the right golf ball for your game can significantly impact your performance. Follow these steps to find your perfect match. Step 1. Assess your swing speed honestly. Players with swing speeds below 90 miles per hour benefit from low compression balls that maximize distance. Faster swingers need higher compression for control. Step 2. Consider your priorities on the course. If you struggle with distance, choose balls designed for maximum yardage with firmer covers. If you're a skilled player seeking spin control around greens, opt for tour-level balls with urethane covers. Step 3. Evaluate your short game needs. Multi-layer urethane balls provide exceptional spin and feel for pitching and putting, but cost more. Two-piece ionomer balls offer durability and distance, but less greenside spin. Step 4. Test different brands and models during practice rounds. Pay attention to how each ball performs with your driver, irons, and wedges. What feels best and produces optimal results for your game? Step 5. Consider your budget and ball loss rate. If you frequently lose balls, premium tour balls might not be economical. Mid-range balls offer good performance at lower cost. Step 6. Don't overlook feel and confidence. The ball that inspires confidence and feels right on putts might perform better for you than theoretical technical superiority. Step 7. Once you find a ball you like, stick with it to develop consistency. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.